Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make these delicious lactose-free, rich in flavor granola bars. In a large bowl, we are going to put 2 cups of rolled oats. Next, we are going to add 1 cup of crispy rice cereal and set aside. In a small saucepan, we are going to add 4 tablespoons of butter, a 1/3 cup packed light brown sugar, and a 1/4 cup of honey. Once all the ingredients are in, we are going to bring it to a boil over medium-high heat. Once it hits a boil, we are going to lower the heat to medium-low and simmer until the sugar dissolves. Do that for about 2 minutes. Now we're going to take the mixture off the heat and stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of freeze-dried strawberries and 3 tablespoons of chocolate chips. Next, we're going to pour the melted mixture over the dry ingredients and mix until combined. Now I'm going to add the mixture to an 8-inch square baking pan that has been lightly coated in a non-stick cooking spray. I am going to press down a good bit on the ingredients to make sure it is nice and compacted so it won't crumble apart when I take it out of the pan. Lastly, I'm going to add a few more chocolate chips and strawberries to the top and gently press them into the granola bars so they don't fall off. Now that all the toppings are pressed in, we are going to let it cool at room temperature for a few hours. Now that it has cooled down, we are going to cut it into little bars. Now you have a quick and easy yummy granola bar. Thank you for watching my video, and if you enjoyed, please feel free to give it a like and subscribe if you want to see more delicious lactose-free recipes.